In this video, you'll learn how to set a featured image as required in WordPress. By making featured images required, you ensure a level of consistency across your website. Each post or page will have a visually appealing image associated with it, helping to create a unified and professional look. To do so, simply log into your WordPress website. You simply need to install this plugin named Required Featured Image. I've already installed and activated it, but if you need help installing a plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. The plugin works straight out of the box and doesn't have any settings to configure. Now let's check the plugin in action. Simply hover over Posts and click on Add New. You can see the message on the top which says this entry has no featured image. Set one before publishing. You can see the Publish button has been disabled as we don't have to set the featured image. Even after settings, the post title, adding a test description doesn't work. Now let's add a featured image here. Once done, you can now be able to publish the post. This is how easy it is to set a featured image as required in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.